Your primary objective is to kill them all. Enemy soldier incoming.
Where does the nigga back here?
Target marked. Requesting fire mission.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Back here, back.
I will blow your shit up, nigga. I down one. Yo, that's my nigga. Save me. Save me while he trying to save his homie. When you get off, nigga, one or the other, nigga. Which one is it? Oh, he revived his homie. Alright. I down one. He's done. Help me, my brother.
You're not dead yet, Kana.
They pussy.
Yeah, that was a
They
team
pussy.
wipe.
Oh, we
There's
got hit
one
from
more.
behind. That motherfucker. Yeah, bitch. Oh, that's why he missed. Hop on the ATV, let's get it.
Oh
Right.
yes!
Now.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Take the top, take the top.
He thought he got away. He thought he got away.
Damn it, I got off too early.
Where he at? Oh, you fell off?
It's all good, it's all good.
Make it.
I'll take the wheel.
Alright.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I'm out there body here. I need to see that. Yeah. You got swamps. He hanging off the edge. That other nigga got away. He got lucky. He got lucky.
Car coming.
Smoke.
Nah, they don't, and we need to head back.
Oh shit, we going the wrong way.
Inbound.
Yeah,
There
I
we
just
are.
peeped. Oh, let's cross this dangerous ass field.
Fire station.
Yep.
Hey,
That's where they
watch
hiding.
that heli.
Yeah, I got it marked.
Enemy helo.
They landed that.
Cool.
Yep, they jumped out of that
Yeah,
hole.
right, gotcha. Alright, good shit, let's do those. Alright, play it safe.
Yes, duos.
We have to get to the safe zone.
I like it. Just like it. Wrecked his ass.
There's one more.
That was me.
Moving.
Let's move.
Be advised, there's an enemy team hunting you.
They want me.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
fuck.
One down.
getting shot from somewhere. Good shit, good shit, good shit.
Hide in his body while I heal. Let's go.
Load out.
Yeah. This shotgun's been saving my fucking life, yo.
Where's this heli?
Yeah. They zoning. They're just zoning. Oh, munitions box.
You got one?
Yeah. We need to get the loadout first. I'm gonna go get it.
Got a loadout drop inbound.
Oh fuck, the munitions box. Shit.
How many fire you have?
Friendly UAV overhead.
Fuck.
Got two over there.
Yeah.
Let's grab them.
Down one.
Confirmed them. One more.
Enemy fire!
Good shit, good shit, good shit.
Was that a team wipe?
No, it won't team wipe. It won't team wipe. He said, what's good?
Got a loadout drop inbound.
Damn, I want to grab a second one.
There's people out there.
Alright, I'm gonna grab it real quick though.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. Friendly UAV overhead.
Yep, they just got ghosts.
Alright.
I mean, where they're trying to. Right
Moving
there,
over
right
here.
there.
Try to pop him. Broke one. He's going to load out. They're going to load out.
Hurt.
You might be able to get in that vehicle, run him over.
No, that's all cool.
Alright.
Oh, hey pal, I'm throwing grenade! Flash out! Taking
Broke
fire!
one. He's at his loadout.
Hit! I'm hit!
Guys, I'm ready to push me with the shotgun.
You're good. You're good.
Good shit, good shit.
Let's go.
Losing ground.
Is this what y'all want to see, chat?
I'll drive.
Alright. What they came to see.
Hop on.
Yep. Look, chat, we're not crossing open field without a car. Look at that. Get out that red roof. Yeah,
And I got
didn't
the
go.
AR in the car.
I had to, because I had the shotgun from the beginning, and I think it got me all 7 kills. I don't know.
Damn, this nigga got 7 kills. Ooh,
Oh man.
my damage points is up there. Oh shit, I got a plate box. Hold on. Put that down.
Oh, that
You need
would
some?
be good. Oh,
Oh,
shit.
stupid. Why would it do that? I hit both shits, bro. I swear.
Well, I thought I was dead. Oh man. All right, let's see. Where are we? Oof.
Anyone need
Grab
this?
that. Through the back.
Yeah.
Another. Here, ammo box.
Dropping ammo.
Yes. My thermite back.
Forgot that I had the shit.
Supply box identified. Marking location
Alright, I'm
now.
gonna grab a WAV. No, I don't want to be famous. 2-2 DQ. Fucking.
Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
Oh yes. Alright, I got a trophy. I'm about to go grab a WAV.
There's a sniper somewhere.
Alright.
Heard him. Another one. Grab this building.
Requesting recon.
UAV entering the AO.
Are you shitting me? They bounced off of the fucking car.
Damn.
Oh, plan foiled.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Oh, we're gonna go
Moving.
this way. I just read.
Oh, I just dropped a nigga. Ah, come here. Come here.
Moving out.
No, don't run. Boy. Alright, y'all lucky. Let's grab this shit, man.
Contract
I have to get off
updated.
this
New
vantage
objective
point.
identified. All supply boxes found. Solid work.
I heard glass break.
That was me.
Okay.
Broke it again. We need to move left.
Alright.
Gas is moving.
We're losing ground. Let's move.
Enemy UAV overhead. Friendly UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
Teammate.
Fucking dominating right now, bro. What the fuck? Got another one out here, but we need to go
Light
this
vehicle
way
here.
to get over here.
Anyone need this?
Alright.
Oh fuck! I
I'm
just
hit!
got sniped from the
Friendly
front.
UAV overhead.
We're gonna push back. here. We're gonna take these niggas out right here.
I got one up this hill right here.
There's one back there. I gotta come back here.
Friendly UAV overhead.
He's broken back there.
Alright, I'm looking.
Stuck
Yeah,
him.
keep him.
He's gone. There's
He's
another
done?
one coming up though.
Yo, good shit. Hey, push. Push where you rotated, dog.
Right.
UAV entering the AO.
There's somebody to our left.
Alright.
There's two up top stadium. But we gotta get this car over here and go to lumber.
Alright, ooh, he's sniping.
Yep.
He's sniping.
Get on the other side of this.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel.
Oh, there's somebody
Got
down
gas
here with me.
inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Alright, fuck it. Come on.
Enemy soldier incoming.
This spot mine.
Fuck, come on. Turn.
Oh, we got him.
Fuck.
I'm moving.
Come on.
Oh, fuck.
That's other people doing the same thing.
Alright, they're fighting each other. We got one to our left. Right here.
Gas is closing in.
We're in the safe zone.
I wonder where this fucking circle is gonna close.
Yeah, it's gonna decide a lot.
Yeah. These fuckers are just chasing each other.
It's open as fuck. But I think since it's gonna hit on that freaking northern side, northwest side, I think that's what it is, yeah. Northwest side. It's gonna close towards this direction. So it's gonna be bigger on our side. It might stay the same.
Yeah, I think that shit's pushing stadium. It's all good. We got a car.
Enemy UAV overhead.
And Ghost. You got Ghost.
Yeah.
We got movement to our left.
Oh shit, no, that's not you, fuck.
No!
You should've made sure that bitch ain't have.
Not dead yet, Hannah.
Oh man, I thought it was you, your name tag and everything.
Final deployment is making ready. Your window's closing fast. You've got gas inbound. Safe zone
Dude, I don't know
relocated.
how that just happened, but it happened. Is there another gas mask? Yeah.
Yeah.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Recon's online.
Oh shit.
UAV entering the AO.
Right there up
Got
top.
one in the open field.
Alright, he just parachuted away. Move up to that red house.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTV for resupply.
I knew it.
Is that you getting sniped at?
Moving
No,
over here.
I said I knew it. I
Oh,
knew it.
where it closed at,
Still active in the
yeah.
AO.
Yeah. Where do you think the next one will be at?
I don't even. I'm trying to.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh, he's right here. He's right here. Turn around. Right now. Good shit. Good mop.
Yeah, nah, for real, that was a mop because like I moved my gun around like a mop. Oh shit! Glint, give me up, quick. They're gonna move in. Oh, they're gonna move in. Fuck. Damn.
The mission.
That was good as fuck, chat.
Yeah,
Return to base for debrief.
You going to work?
yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, 13 kills.
Short.
Oh!
Damn. Nasty.
That's my highest kill game right there, I swear, in duos.
That's what I'm talking about, bro. That shit's wild.
And I recorded it, yeah. Good shit, man.
Hell yeah, bro. You be.
And yeah, this is your captain, signing out.